Have you ever wondered what makes a dash cam truly worth the investment? Is it the crystal clear video quality, the intelligent safety features, or maybe the peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of an accident? Today, we're diving into some of the most advanced dash cams on the market to find out which one has the perfect blend of features for your needs. From groundbreaking 4K recording to smart connectivity and safety innovations, these dash cams promise to redefine your driving experience. 5. Thinkware X1000, the pinnacle of safety and clarity. What if your dash cam could do more than just record? The Thinkware X1000 answers that question with a resounding yes, featuring 4K UHD resolution. From reading distant license plates to picking up subtle details in dark conditions, the X1000's advanced image sensors and Super Night Vision 2.0 feature ensure that no moment goes unnoticed. But the Thinkware X1000 is more than just about clarity. It's about safety. Equipped with a DAS Advanced Driver Assistance Systems features, including lane departure and forward collision warnings, this dash cam actively helps you stay safe on the road. The GPS feature logs your routes and speed, adding valuable context to your footage. Even when your car is parked, the X1000 remains vigilant. Its energy-efficient parking mode activates to record any movement or impact, ensuring your vehicle is protected around the clock. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a user-friendly mobile app, you can access your footage, update settings, and transfer files effortlessly. The Thinkware X1000 is more than a dash cam. It's a comprehensive safety tool that keeps watch when you can't. Here's a dash cam here that fits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. 4. Vantrue E1, compact yet powerful protection. Sometimes, the best things come in small packages. The Vantrue E1 is a compact dash cam packed with powerful features designed to make every drive safer. Equipped with a dual camera system, it records both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants comprehensive coverage. The Vantrue E1's full HD video recording and advanced Sony Starvis sensor ensure high-quality footage, even in low-light conditions. Whether it's day or night, this dash cam captures sharp, clear images that can be crucial in the event of an incident. WDR-wide dynamic range technology further enhances the camera's ability to handle varying light conditions, providing well-balanced footage in both bright and dark environments. With motion detection and a G-sensor for impact recording, the Vantrue E1 doesn't just protect you while you're driving, it keeps an eye on your vehicle even when it's parked. The intuitive LCD display allows for easy menu navigation and instant playback of recorded footage. Plus, with its discreet design, it blends seamlessly into your vehicle's interior without obstructing your view. 3. Nexar Pro, your intelligent road companion. Picture this. A dash cam that not only records your drive, but acts as your personal co-pilot, watching out for potential dangers and keeping you connected at all times. The Nexar Pro offers high-resolution recording capabilities that capture every detail, from scenic routes to crucial moments during unexpected events. Its wide-angle lens ensures that every part of the road is covered, giving you a comprehensive view that can make all the difference when reviewing footage. The Nexar Pro's intelligent event detection feature is like having a second set of eyes on the road. It automatically records and saves footage during sudden movements or crashes, making it invaluable for insurance claims or legal purposes. Thanks to its cloud storage, your footage is safely backed up, even if the device is damaged or stolen. Driving at night? The Nexar Pro's night vision functionality ensures your recordings are sharp and clear, no matter the time of day. And with its dedicated app, you can easily access, share, and manage your footage right from your smartphone. Voice control options add another layer of convenience, letting you start and stop recordings or save key moments without ever taking your hands off the wheel. 2. Nextbase IQ, the smart dash cam for the modern driver. Ever wished your dash cam could do more than just record? The Nextbase IQ brings that wish to life with its smart capabilities and seamless connectivity. Capturing video in stunning 4K resolution, this dash cam ensures every detail is recorded with precision. But its standout feature? The IQ's emergency SOS function, which immediately alerts emergency services with your location in case of a collision, making sure help is on the way when seconds count. Its wide-angle lens captures everything in its view, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed, even in tight, congested areas. Night driving? No problem. The IQ's advanced night vision technology guarantees clear footage, no matter the lighting conditions. The smart touchscreen display makes navigating through settings and footage review a breeze, so you can focus on what matters driving safely. Stay connected to your car, even when you're not in it. The IQ syncs with your smartphone, allowing you to view real-time footage, adjust settings, and share important clips instantly. And with voice control, you can operate the dash cam hands-free, ensuring your focus stays on the road ahead. The Nextbase IQ isn't just a camera, it's a smart, vigilant companion for every journey. 1. Imagine driving down a scenic highway, the sun setting behind you, and knowing that every detail of this breathtaking view is being captured in stunning 4K resolution. That's the power of the Nextbase 622GW, a dashcam that doesn't just record, it redefines what dashcams can do. With its ultra-clear 4K HD video, every license plate, road sign, and scenic detail is captured with unmatched clarity. But this device isn't just about visuals. It brings peace of mind with its advanced night vision capabilities, ensuring that even the darkest roads are captured in crisp, clear detail. The Nextbase 622GW takes safety seriously. In the unfortunate event of an accident, its emergency SOS feature springs into action. This life-saving technology sends your exact location and crucial information to emergency services, ensuring help arrives when you need it most. But what about when you're not driving? The 622GW has you covered with its intelligent parking mode. It automatically starts recording if it detects movement around your parked vehicle, capturing any incidents, whether it's a minor scratch or something more serious. And let's not forget about convenience. The integration of Alexa means you can control your dashcam with simple voice commands, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Add to that the quick-link Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and you can effortlessly manage your footage and settings directly from your smartphone. The Nextbase 622GW isn't just a dashcam, it's your co-pilot, ensuring every journey is safe, recorded, and easily managed.